Speed judge. Everybody ready? Everybody take your places, please. All right, I want to welcome everyone to the 5th annual Music City Police Motorcycle Skills and Training Competition. We want to thank our judges today. They've donated their time, volunteered to help us out, and let these gentlemen do some training.
Get ready to go. No, because I'm not good. I'm on motorcycle, so it needs me.
All right.
I need more practice.
Sergeant Agent, there's no time on you, so you can do yours as you need to go, okay? I'll try to call them out when I see them. Introduce your riders. And Lieutenant McDonald, time is ready for you to begin. Up first on the speed side is Sergeant Kelly Kirby. Sergeant Kirby, his nickname is Iceman. He loves motorcycle riding, fishing, hunting, and work. He is a member of the THP motorcycle unit and the Governor's Security Detail. I gotta mention, somebody's waving their hand, and he's on Trooper Billy Smith's motorcycle. All right, Sergeant Kirby, the track is yours. On the proficiency side, we have Patrolman Glenn, I'm sorry, let me make sure. Oh, Officer Rick Shepard. Rick Shepard. He is with the Cookeville Police Department. He's married with 2 children. And he loves motorcycle riding and sports. For the speed side is Eddie Snyder, number 3, Eddie Snyder. On deck for proficiency is Brian Hodgins.